Do you need to replace the Palmrest touchpad on your Dell Precision 3480? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. Okay, real quick, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap as well as an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Next, disconnect the battery cable. This will help eliminate any electrical current from flowing through your laptop's components while you're working on it. Then unscrew and remove the battery. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Now disconnect the antenna cables and then slide out the Wi-Fi card. Unroute the white Wi-Fi cable that connects to the left speaker. Then disconnect the speaker cable. Next, unscrew and remove the inner frame. Next, unscrew and remove the LCD cable bracket. Then disconnect the LCD cable. And my LCD screen does not have an IR cable, but if yours does, just slide it out. I've labeled the location for it right here. Now disconnect the cooling fan cable. Now unscrew and remove the cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove the solid state drive bracket. Then slide out the solid state drive. Now disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. Now pull the locking clips away from the memory modules to unlock the RAM. Then slide out the RAM. Then remove the speakers. Next, unscrew the left and right LCD hinge. Then open the LCD display and separate it from the Palmrest. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew the USB Type-C bracket. Now, if your model has a fingerprint reader, which mine does not, you'll unscrew and remove the fingerprint reader cable bracket. Then disconnect the cable located here. Next, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Note the heatsink can remain attached to the motherboard for this process. Now unscrew and remove the power button. Then unscrew and remove the touchpad. Then unscrew and remove the keyboard assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.